Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn types of soils. Types of soils. Types of soil. Sandy soil, sandy soil, clay soil, and loam soil. These are the three types of soils. How many types of soils, children? Three types of soils. Sandy soil, clay soil, loam soil. Okay. First, sandy soil. First, sandy soil. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is mostly found in desert areas, deserts and on the seashore. What is the meaning of seashore? Samudra తీరాల దగ్గర ఎక్కువగా sandy soil, desert ఎడారి ప్రాంతాల్లో ఎక్కువగా sandy soil ఉంది. ఓకేనా? Sandy soil is mostly found in desert and seashore. Okay? Desert and seashore. And sandy soil particles are big. Sandy soil mostly found in desert and on the seashore, and sandy soil particles are big, and a lot of air in the space between particles. Space between the particles. And the soil particles are the big kabatti inside ఏముంటుంది? Inside మొత్తం లోపల air కి space ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? And once again I repeat you, sandy soil particles are the big, and these sandy soil particles, there is a lot of air in the space between particles. So sandy soil does not hold water. Sandy soil does not hold water. And sandy soil do not absorb water. Once again I repeat you, sandy soil is mostly found in desert and seashore areas, and sandy soil particles are the very big, and there is lot of air space in between soil particles, and sandy soil does not hold water, means sandy soil do not absorb the water. Next, clay soil. Clay soil is sticky. Clay is sticky, and it is mostly used in this soil. Clay soil mostly used in pots and tops. Mostly this soil used for making pots and tops. Okay, clay soil is a sticky, and this soil mostly used making pots and toys. And in this clay soil, there is no space air. Clay soil, no space air between the particles. Clay soil particles, there is no space air between the particles. These clay particles are very fine. అంటే చాలా చిన్నవిగా ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? Clay particles are very fine. In these clay particles, no space air. Air ki space ఉండదు. But this soil can hold a lot of water. Clay soil absorb a lot of water. Once again I repeat you, clay soil is a sticky, and this clay soil mostly used for making of pots and toys, and clay soil very fine particles. Clay soil particles has no space air in the between particles, no space air between the particles, and this soil can hold the lot of water. Clay soil hold lot of water, but sandy soil cannot hold water. Clay soil hold water. Next, loam soil. Loam soil. Loam soil, see children, loam soil, mixture of clay soil, and sandy soil. Loam soil lo ఏమేమి కలిసి ఉంటాయన్నా clay soil and sandy soil. ఓకేనా, both కలిసి మొత్తం టుగెదర్ గా ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా, loam soil, mixture of clay soil and sandy soil. Okay, and it can hold, loam soil can hold air and water. Can hold air and water. See here, see children, here observe children. Sandy soil only their air space. It's not absorb the water. Okay, next, clay soil, no air space. Air space లేదు clay soil particles. Sandy soil particles ki air space undi, but do not have water, do not absorb the water. Next, clay soil. Clay soil, very fine particles. In these particles, no space between air, but they absorb lot of water. Clay soil only absorb water. Sandy soil particles has air, but loam soil both can hold air and water. Loam soil can hold air and water. Okay, it has lot of humus. Loam soil has lot of humus. You know what is the humus? What is the humus? Dead plants and insects is called as the humus. Okay na, very much a lot of humus in the loam soil. ఎక్కువగా ఏముంటుంది loam soil లో humus. What is the meaning of humus? Dead plants and dead insects. Okay na. Next, humus makes soil fertile. Humus makes soil fertile. And this loam soil, in this loam soil, best soil for plants. దేనికి ఎక్కువ బెస్ట్ నాన్న? ప్లాంట్స్ కి. ఓకే నా, loam soil best for the plants. Have you understand? Loam soil, mixture of clay soil and sandy soil. Loam soil can hold air and water, and loam soil a lot of humus. Humus means dead plants and dead insects. In this humus makes soil fertile. Loam soil best soil for the plants. Best soil for the plants. This is the three types of soils. This is the three types of soil: sandy soil, clay soil, loam soil. Okay, now next here see children, soil and crops. Soil and crops. Soil and crops. See children, all crops are the same? No, different types of crops. Yes, different types of crops. And soils are the same? All soils same? No, different types of soils. Some soil, sandy soil, soils middle, sandy soil, clay soil, loam soil. These are the three types of soils. Okay na? And some crops grow in sandy soil, some crops are growing in clay soil, some crops are growing loam soil. Different types of plants grow in different types of soil. Some plants are growing in sandy soil, some plants are growing in clay soil, some plants are growing in loam soil. Different types of crops grow in different types of soils. Okay, yet all types of crops, all crops grow better than man. All crops grow better than when we add manure. We add the manure, all crops are grow better. All crops are grow better than. ఎక్కువగా మంచిగా grow అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. Which one add better than grow crops? Manure. What is the manure? Manure contains cow dung. Manure contains cow dung and decaying leaves. Manure contains cow dung and decaying leaves. This is the manure. What is the manure? Manure contains cow dung and decaying leaves. Manure added, because manure is added, the rich in humus. Manure added because it is rich in humus and it makes soil fertile. Manure లో ఎక్కువ ఏముంటుందన్న హ్యూమస్ ఉంటుంది. అలానే ఈ మొత్తం manure హ్యూమస్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, makes soil fertile. Okay, have you understand children? This is the soil and crops. Okay, 3 types of soils: sandy soil, clay soil and loam soil. And soil and crops, all crops are grow different types of soils. Okay, and all crops grow better than we add manure. All crops are they grow better. And what is the manure? Manure contains cow dung and decaying leaves, and because humus also rich in it makes manure. Humus also rich in manure. It makes makes soil fertile. Manure లో హ్యూమస్ కలగడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందన్న సాయిల్ అనేది మంచిగా ఫెర్టైల్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద soil and crops and types of soil. Have you understand children? Thank you so much.